Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know that how to publish a website, a WordPress website on Google, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is you have to open your website. So this time we are going to continue with a new website, a total new website. So this is the website. Now you have to do is you have to open the Google Search Console. So when you have opened your Google Search Console, you can search for it on your Google browser. Now simply click on Start Now. You can find the Start Now button here. Now from here you can see I have already added it, or you can do is add properties. So once if you don't have one, so you can simply click on add properties, where you can find two options, that domain or URL prefix. So you can do is simply search for URL prefix, and from here you have to do is make sure that you have published your web page here. Once you can find the publish button here, so you make sure that you have click on the publish button. So once you have published it, you have to copy all of your URL. Now you have to paste it on the URL prefix. So simply click on it and simply click on continue. Now you can see it is verifying this ownership auto verified. So it is HTML tag that is automatically verified. So if you have installed this HTML tag from here, then you will be automatically verified. There will be several options to install this or complete this verification process. So HTML tag is most preferable. You have to choose the HTML tag, or sometimes if you have opened your browser, open your website in the same browser, and you open the Google Search Console on the same browser with the same Google account, then it will automatically install the HTML tag or detect the tag, and it will verify the properties. So you have to simply click on Go Properties, and you can see it has just added. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.